Did you know that a locomotive that has momentum can crush through 5 brick walls without stopping? And did you also know that if 10 quarter dollars are put in front of that locomotive when it's not moving, that it can't break through those 10 quarters? The same is true for your business. When a business has momentum, and knows how to steward momentum, that business can crush through obstacles like it's nothing. But if you feel stuck, if you feel like you can't move, if you haven't gotten started, then moving feels almost impossible. If you want to know right now in this video how to get unstuck, stay tuned. Hey guys, Derek here from the Clearsound team, and I am so excited today to teach you how to build a ramp to partner with and steward momentum. You see, I've seen business owners who are wildly successful fail in business because they don't know how to partner with momentum. One of the best ways to partner with momentum is to do simple actions daily that move you towards your end goal. So when you think about that locomotive, when you think about ramping, what do you think about? You think about, when building a ramp, you think about a highway. An on-ramp is a slow, gradual progression toward the highway, toward the interstate, that allows you to enter quickly, efficiently, it allows you to enter safely, and you're actually going slower than the rest of the vehicles, but you have an entrance that's built with intentionality in mind. It's gradual. The same thing needs to be true to ramp your business from where you are now to where you want to be in the next 2 years. In this video, I want to talk about 4 don'ts in building a ramp for your business. These are the places where I see people make mistakes which leave them stuck or overwhelmed and spinning so fast that they feel out of control. Number 1 is don't cut corners. Listen to me. If you sacrifice your customer service, your team, your product, your brand will lose credibility, will lose trust with your customers, and in the end, it will actually hurt your business. Do not cut corners. I know that often that feels like the quickest way to growth, but it can really hurt your business, hurt your reputation, and for some, can actually put you out of business. Number 2 is don't hit the accelerator too fast. Often people want to go from 0 to 100,000, from 100,000 to 1 million, and from 1 million to 10 million, almost overnight, or if not overnight in the next year or 18 months. But listen to me. To go from nothing to crazy high actually can stunt your business. I've seen physical locations go from 1 location to 10 so quickly that they can't handle the growth and momentum. I've seen single owner businesses and businesses that have coaches or consultants or service people move too fast and they actually can't handle the growth and the momentum. It's really important that when you grow your business that you build a ramp that's gradual, that lets you succeed more and more and more over time. So you see success when planned and continued to move towards, like we talked about in the last video, really allows you to build strides that build a healthy rhythm. That way, month over month, year over year, you keep growing. One of the most important things I've learned in doing this process is number 3 of what not to do is don't lose focus. You see, when you're focused, like here at Clearsound, our focus is helping business owners develop a plan over the next 2 years to grow and move their business forward with clarity, intentionality, and purpose, clear messaging, right? And allowing them to know what their brand looks like, what their brand sounds like, who their audience is, and what their channels are. And you see, if you lose focus on what got you into business in the first place, it will actually stunt you from building a ramp that allows you to keep growing steadily and healthily over time. And the last one is don't quit. If you quit, oftentimes you don't recognize that distance over time equals progress. Let me say that again. Distance over time equals progress. If you can continue to build momentum slowly over time, you will see progress in your business. This is crucial. Do not quit. Keep going. If you're watching this video, keep going. You can do it. Take the time, watch these videos, plan, right? Determine your destination like we talked about in the first few videos. Plot your path like we talked about in the next 3 videos, and then begin to move. If you're watching this final video of the Unstuck series and this is the only video you watch, great. Take the time to ask yourself this question. What initial steps can I take that if I succeed in those, will allow me to succeed in other areas of my business? Again, what initial steps that if I succeed in those will allow me to succeed in other areas of my business? This is the key to ramping. This is the key to getting unstuck. And this is the key to growing a profitable and sustainable business over time. Guys, if this series has been helpful to you, click the link below, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos where we help you connect with your audience and grow your business. This has been the Unstuck series. Thanks so much for watching the final video, part 10, where we help you build a ramp. And I hope that this has helped you get clarity on how you can build a sustainable, healthy, profitable business by having a 2-year plan that you can execute with intentionality, with purpose, considering the obstacles, knowing your why, and moving forward. Guys, thank you so much. Again, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos where we dive deeper into marketing strategy, communications, marketing planning, business planning, growth strategies, and clear communication. All right, guys, Derek Kelly here. I'm so excited to see you in the next video.